So let's do part C of question 3, CSEC Add Math, June 2024, paper 2. Using the letters P, Q, or R, write an expression for each of the following trigonometric ratios. So we want to find an expression for sine theta and an expression for cos theta. And this is 2 marks. So let's look at our triangle and let's label the sides of our triangle. So we have theta, so the side opposite theta, which is P, will be the opposite. R, which is the side next to angle theta, will be the adjacent, and Q, which is the side opposite the right angle and the longest side in our triangle, is our hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is equal to P over Q, and cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, which will be equal to R over Q. Okay, so part 2. Using your answers in part C, part 1, determine the value of sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. And recall that sine squared theta is sine theta all squared. Okay, so this is worth 4 marks. So we know the identity sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So we're actually going to prove that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1 based on what we got from part 1 here. So sine theta squared will square P over Q, and cos theta squared, so we'll square R over Q. Okay, so therefore, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to P over Q squared plus R over Q squared. So squaring both numerator and denominator, we'll get P squared over Q squared plus R squared over Q squared. Now, since the denominator is Q squared in each fraction, common denominator will be Q squared, and then we just add the numerators. So P squared plus R squared over Q squared. Now, because it is a right angle triangle, we know that the square of the hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Alright, so Pythagoras' theorem, Q squared will be equal to P squared plus R squared. So therefore, I can replace this numerator, P squared plus R squared, with Q squared. So I get Q squared over Q squared, which will be equal to 1, as we know it from the identity. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1, and we've just proved it.